right now Malia's.
Oh, is it on?
Malia's. Well. We're trying to. Oh, usually what happens is I come from Birmingham and then we do like a Chandra thing, and I bring loads of goodies from home. But we don't have anything today. Anyway. Who cares? Who cares, isn't it, Malia? So we're taking a bit of a coffee break.
No.
Even though Malia has done it.
No. Yeah, we finish it. Finish what you're saying a second, then I'll
I'm
tell
just saying, like, you know, you haven't done anything and I've done all these balloons.
Nice.
What were you doing? Were you sleeping?
No, I was reading Quran, Namaaz, and then watching the drama, and I check all my YouTube comments, reply to some of them. Then one comments were, Nafia, Maliha and Mama did plastic surgery, something new. So we did plastic surgery, okay? And then it was like 6 comments after.
Do they mean filler? Filler?
No, they say, we know they did filler, but now they did plastic surgery because Mama cheeks is high.
And what about me?
I don't know, something about you as well. That you, Nafia did plastic surgery and Maliha did plastic surgery.
If I did plastic surgery, would my face look like?
And Mama did something with her cheeks because her cheeks was
Mama
down.
was born with cheeks like that. Let me tell you something.
What's
okay?
the point to explain it to them?
Because we are Rozgar right now. And okay, if we did plastic surgery, so what?
Nothing to do with you.
So what? Eh? My face is plastic. I'm fantastic. But if I was going to do plastic surgery, let me tell you what I would do. I would get rid of every fat cell in my body.
And
That's what I would do.
From here.
Yeah,
You
and
know,
Mum would
when
get
I
rid
do-
of her turkey neck.
Yeah.
And I would get rid of all my fat.
Because I lost loads of weight, so when I do plastic surgery, I will do it first for this. And it's between me and Allah. Nothing to do with you. So, if I want to do it, I can do it.
So, Amma, look, so. Oh, see, Harim farted as well. She agrees. Well, you know what? There's one good thing about this is that there's only one comment, bad comment, and hundreds of good comments. But unfortunately, one bad comment affects a person. Okay? But inshallah,
It won't affect me anymore.
it doesn't affect this. Alhamdulillah, thank God.
Alhamdulillah, no anymore. It won't affect me anymore because, you know, I just laugh. I say, oh, another jealous person.
You jealous of my mama's luscious lips
And
her,
you're sad.
and her. Ooh, and you're sad.
Yes.
And of her.
You just need to start pray and ask Allah
I wonder
to make your
what's
life.
this whole thing like.
happy.
People do have cheekbones, you know. Wait, have you got you haven't got Nia's photo in it?
My mom cheek was like.
She was 80 years old, okay.
No,
and her
80,
cheeks
70.
70, whatever.
More than Allah Budekra.
Huh?
She died age of 72.
Oh. Anyway, like her cheeks were like that. She just had cheekbones.
And honestly,
remember, we're Mongolian, okay?
We are Mongolian.
Okay.
And I don't like high cheeks anyway. If you like it, ask Allah to give you one.
It's too late though. It's late.
It's never late.
It is,
Allah,
Amma.
listen. But
Amma, you can't have cheekbones if Allah hasn't given you cheekbones. Unless you have fillers.
No, Allah. Oh, you can change cheekbone with filler.
Yeah, you can put filler in your cheeks. Yeah, that's why people say.
Oh, that's why you know. Because you know everything. I don't know that.
Yeah, so
I know that you can.
do you
have
know what?
filler
You could
in the lips.
literally transform a face with filler. So you see this?
Anyway, when I have a
see my
sign
double
of
chin? That could go like this.
sign of and I have wrinkles and things like that, I don't know. I might do a filler and Botox. It's nothing to do with you. Okay?
No.
If I want to do it, I will do it. And it's between me and Allah.
Anyway, how is your Eid? How are you feeling? You don't look like you're having fun this Eid.
No, but it was Rosa in it, so it's a little
I
bit.
think the Roja kind of.
And as well as that, I was answering so many, arranging, the thing, the Qurbani and this and that. It was so difficult.
Are you missing Samaya?
Yeah, of course I'm missing Sumaya. That's one stress. Another stress, you people want me to go to center. That's another
Why
stress.
is that stress?
It's gonna be like, go all the way.
Well, think about it like that. For the past 9 months, 10 months, you've been stuck in the house.
Yeah, but Jacinta.
You've hardly gone anywhere. So why not just venture out?
Okay. I hate walking.
Just think about it like this. We're going to be vlogging. We're going to be having content for YouTube. And you might go on a ride as well.
Is
That'd
it?
be so good.
What if I faint?
I remember one time, right? Mum went on a ride and she fainted on the ride. And we had to stop the ride.
I can't even sit on that.
And then her sister is crazy about
She's
rides.
crazy.
Her and Sumaya. Oh my god, Sumaya's nuts
All my
about
friends
rides.
are crazy.
No,
Shamshad and
Sumaya.
everybody.
Sumaya is crazy about. She
Big
loves.
Yeah. No
loves
anymore.
rides.
No anymore.
No, she loves them still.
She can't- I
Sumaya
never
loves.
see her.
Sumaya loves rides.
But when my children sit in these dangerous rides, I'm just dying down there. I'm just reading so many
Yeah, because
surah.
anything can happen, innit?
Yeah. Why
And
you
me-
risk your life just for rides?
Yeah, some people like that thrill.
Yeah.
But I get vertigo. I hate going on rides. I like it, but I just can't handle it because I feel sick. Kore, savez?
صبح ما بس فهمه چې دا دنیا ښکلې وي نه چا د چا نه
Mama, are
نفرت
you
کولې،
serious?
نه چا نه چا
You know what?
سره
That's it.
جګړه
I
کوله.
really think you need to stop YouTube. I think you need to
Kana?
stop. Oh, because shikalam your comment badra shikana nutasa why it doesn't affect you. Who pura 24 hours pore aage pore lagya hai.
نه
Mata stu will java delete ka. Don't even read it.
کوي مې نه
Yeah, uste effect
honestly نه
Maya
فکر سم
sama.
دی افیکټ کوي مې نه
ښه.
خو زه سوچ کوم
ښه
چې
دی affect
ولې
کوي.
خلک یو بل خفه کوي
Because they're
It's not
insanandi.
only that.
Because that's insanandi. Do you think
انسانان نه دي
insanandi?
شیطانان دي
Oh, no, nim shaitani, nim insani.
شیطانان دي
Da
انسانان
nafs this is it.
انسان چې کنه انسان مطلب دی انسان
Na ma
اشرف المخلوقات
انسان په دې دنیا کې چې کنه نو هغوی خالي خني. Mostly they're bad
نو بس دی به
because they've got
زه خو به کله په چا پسې خبرې ونه
نو خالي کې تاسو یې.
نو زه به انسان یم
نو انسان دا نه دی چې ټول انسانان یو شان دي.
زه خو به قسم د خپل دشمنم بدونه غواړم
نو دا تاسو یې. خلک داسې نه دي. او تاسو څه پته تاسو do you really think that every person in this world loves you? No. You've got quite a lot of enemies out there. They
Who
hate
is the enemy?
I'll name you. Papa's family.
Why they
There's a
enemies
few
of
other
mine?
the charity people.
Yeah, the charity
there's a lot. There's a lot, man.
خودی
There's a lot of enemies. So they could easily make a account and just say stuff. Do you know how much jealous people they are? And how pissed off they might be?
ما ته خلک وای سوینګ له یو اکاونټ د یوټیوب بیل جوړ کړه دا غنه جوړم ما ته دا نه غټ کار دا ښکاری دوی څنګه دا فیک اکاونټ جوړ کیو راشي کمنټس وکي
Because that week don't nafrat done that some people they look at another person and they're like, I hate this person just
my
because they're jealous.
God.
Just because they're jealous. And because of their jealousy, they'll do anything. That's how it is.
قسم
Yeah, that's how it is.
ماشاءالله بل شان دي خلک دي
Or that social media that's their job. They sit there. Why do you think people call them haters and trolls and all that stuff? Because they are people like that exist. Their only job is to make people's life hell. They just can't handle it. I mean, you've got a whole website dedicated to people that talk shit about other people, like that Guru Gossip one.
Oh my god
Yeah.
is it So they just come and talk about people.
It's called Guru Gossip. Loads of people have tried to put that site down. They failed.
Is it?
It's been going on since God knows what. So they have these, each page has a different influencer or whatever it is, or blogger or whatever, and they have threads and threads of people talking about everything. They screenshot their stories. They've said stuff about you as well.
Eh?
Yeah.
Is it? What they say about me?
So they've got a link. They've got a page about Dina, right? And then after Dina, after they saw that we get along and mashallah whatever, now they've got extra pages where it's about us lot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, what they say about us?
They say all kinds of stuff you don't even want to know. So Maya always checks it and I'm like, what is the point?
Okay.
What is the point? Yeah, they will be. Imagine that. They literally go there. Yeah, that's why I'm like, there's no point. People dedicate their lives for that.
You know what? Let me tell you a story. So this is a story from Rasulullah Sallallahu time, and one of the very buzurg person, he told me this story. Maulana Yaqub Baba, he told me this story.
When people talk about him,
Yeah,
people talk about him.
is what people just talk about Rasulullah Sallallahu wife, Bibi Aisha. So the story was that Rasulullah Sallallahu, there was a two women. One was a very pious and like very religious and always sit on the musalla janimaz and pray, and she never hurt anyone from her mouth or anything, and she was very, very, very pure woman. And another woman, she was a prostitute. She lived next door to her, and obviously she was a prostitute. That's a big sinner. So one night, Rasulullah Sallallahu, when the pious woman, the religious woman, when she died, people come to Rasulullah Sallallahu that she died and we can do janazah of her. So the hadith is like that Rasulullah Sallallahu refused that I'm not going to do the janazah for her. And then only couple of days after the prostitute woman, she died, and Rasulullah Sallallahu asked the Sahaba, let's go to do janazah. So obviously everybody was shocked, and they asked Rasulullah Sallallahu, they usually don't ask why you did it. They ask for their knowledge, that why our Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did something like that. So when they ask, they say that our beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, why, one woman was really good and you didn't do her janazah, and one, everybody knows she was tabat, she was prostitute, and you did her janazah. So Rasulullah Sallallahu replied that Jibreel come to me and he told me to do janazah of this woman, and the reason was that one night she was sleeping. But because she haven't got any izzat, nothing, she always leave her door open, okay? So men come and go, blah blah blah. I don't know the rest of the thing, but long story in short, the other woman, the religious woman, she was sitting on the musalla reading tahajjud or namaz or whatever, and then the wind blow the door, so the door open and then close, and then after little time the door close and open again, and she was reading namaz. She was like talking to Allah. She was sitting in front of Allah, and then when door was moving and she heard the noise, she was thinking with herself that, oh, another man come now. And then like the door make noise in it, the door open and the door close, and then she think, oh, so now another man come, and that was actually the wind was blowing the door, isn't it? So she did shak on her, like doubt on her, like the poor woman, that time she was innocent because she was sleeping, and she put a wrong allegation on her that, oh, so this man left, now another man come, now this man left, another.
Wow.
Just for that one thing.
Wow.
Allah is Rahman and Rahim.